In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to explore cryptocurrency exchanges using CoinMarketCap. Whether you're new to the crypto space or a seasoned trader looking to diversify your exchange portfolio, understanding where and how to trade your coins is crucial. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to CoinMarketCap. For anyone unfamiliar, CoinMarketCap is a comprehensive website that provides the latest crypto market data and insights. Think of it as a one-stop shop for all things cryptocurrency. Now, once you're on the home page, take a look at the top menu bar. You'll notice several options designed to help you explore the crypto world. Today, our focus is on exchanges. Click on the Exchanges tab in the menu. This action will prompt a drop-down menu to appear, presenting 4 distinct categories for you to consider. Each category serves a different purpose depending on the type of trading you're interested in. Let me break them down for you. First, there's centralized exchanges featuring the spot option. This includes popular platforms like Binance, Coinbase, and KuCoin, where straightforward buy and sell orders take place. If you're looking to trade without leverage, this is your go-to zone. Next, under centralized exchanges, you'll find derivatives. This category is all about futures and leverage platforms, perfect for those who want to engage in more complex trading strategies involving margin. Moving on, we have decentralized exchanges, starting with the spot option. These are usually referred to as DEXs, with well-known names like Uniswap and PancakeSwap. DEXs allow you to trade directly from your crypto wallet without the need for an intermediary, offering a layer of privacy and decentralization that many enthusiasts find appealing. Finally, there's decentralized exchanges with a focus on derivatives, also known as on-chain perpetuals. Here, platforms like DYDX come into play with products that resemble their centralized counterparts, but maintain that decentralized spirit. Once you've determined which of these options best suits your needs, go ahead and select it. CoinMarketCap will then provide you with a ranked list of exchanges within your chosen category. This ranking is incredibly useful for understanding the market landscape and which exchanges are leading the pack. As you review this list, take the time to delve into each exchange's details. Look at the 24-hour trading volume to gauge activity level. Higher volumes often indicate more liquidity. Check the number of markets each exchange offers, as this can affect your trading opportunities. Coins supported is another key factor, especially if you're looking to trade less common tokens. Finally, pay attention to the trust or score rating provided by CoinMarketCap. This metric helps evaluate the reliability and safety of the exchange. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to make informed decisions on which exchanges best fit your trading needs. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!